Hello and welcome to the video presentation of our project with Squash PC, elevating player rankings and match predictions with MOBA game-inspired ELO systems. This project was sponsored by Squash PC, an organization that facilitates the sport of squash in the province of British Columbia, Canada. Most of the match and player data are recorded on Club Locker. Data includes player ratings, their age, gender profile distributions across singles and doubles categories, spanning all kinds of events like club matches, tournaments, leagues, etc. The sponsors find the doubles rating to be faulty and not reflective of actual performance in the doubles categories. Their two main asks were to build a better rating system and to develop a match outcome prediction model. The sponsors required this enhanced system to help them construct better tournament seedings for upcoming squash events. To develop our ratings list, we drew inspiration from ELO systems that MOBA games like Clash of Clans and Dota use. This system works better because they account for individual player performance within team matches and adjust ratings based on opponent strength, ensuring fairness and accuracy in the rankings. The data was acquired by scraping the Club Locker site, pre-processed and modeled into a database. We then went on to build three versions of our ELO systems. A baseline version, initializing a player with 1200 points as their ELO. The second, adding a score factor and dynamic K that aims to normalize the ELO curve. The final one, adding different weights for the type of event, tournament, league, or championships. We compared the results for each against a true list sent by the sponsors. From our results, we conclude that the ELO with the different weight for event type works best. For the match outcome predictor, we built two models, the logistic regression model with pre-matched ELO ratings and match outcomes as additional features. This generated an accuracy of 75%, accompanied by a precision of around 76% and an impressive recall of 99%. For the multi-layer perceptron model, we added an extra feature vector of the match type, and this approach yielded a 69% accuracy rate, and we slightly observed a lower precision of 76% and a recall of 83%. In conclusion, we have achieved our objective of producing an enhanced doubles rating algorithm and a match outcome predictor with reasonable accuracy metrics. A feedback mechanism via means of a survey that the stakeholders can fill out has to be included to validate ratings and predictions generated to further develop this model. And here's a demo of our app.
The first thing you want to do after installing your Python environment is you want to click the links that they give you after running python elo app.py, and that opens up our web UI in a separate tab. Then you want to choose a file to upload. You can either choose between preprocessed or concatenated. Those two are the only two that have the proper formatting. Afterwards, you want to click upload. Since this takes a while, I've already uploaded a file, so let's go to the display page. And this shows the top players. You can change the number of players to 11 or 1 or 233. Or so, and then you can also search by top player name. You can search up Justin Todd, and that gives you him, or you can also just search by the letters in their name, DA, and these are the players that have DA. Then you want to go with the predictor. You want to create the predictor, and then after the predictor's been created, you can add names of the players that you want. In our case, let's pit Grant Bergman and Jane McDonald against Lauren Wagner and Morgan Latrimo. You predict the outcome, and that gives you the match outcome.